Welcome to Dying Light 3, an action-packed game set in a vast, twice.
This message has been transmitted at the request of the local governmental federal police station. A civil situation has been turned into a message. Please listen carefully to this broadcast until further notice. Some humanoid figure has been reported at night. The entity is described as 7 foot tall and has a lot of eye features and no mouth. The figure has 16 eyes and 5 tentacles and appears at 9 p.m. to 6 a.m. at night, and appears everything that has no light, so at night close and lock all windows and doors and turn on all lights in sight before 9 p.m. at night. Do not panic and stay calm while the situation is in place until a break over 6 a.m.
Compared to the previous titles. Get ready to explore and
Thank you for watching one of my videos, and remember, this scenario is fiction.